Welcome back to Dream Autos, your ultimate destination for the latest rides, hottest features, and the most exciting automotive news. Today we're diving into the 2026 Fiat Fastback, a sleek and stylish compact crossover that's turning heads and challenging expectations. Let's talk design first. The 2026 Fiat Fastback continues the bold design language introduced in previous models, but refines it with sharper lines, a more aerodynamic profile, and a confident stance that blends SUV muscle with coupe elegance. The sloping roofline gives it that fastback silhouette we all love, while the updated front grille and LED lighting setup make it look more premium than ever. It's modern, dynamic, and distinctly European in flair, bringing a sporty edge to the compact SUV segment. Under the hood, Fiat offers the Fastback with a turbocharged 1.3-litre or 1.0-litre Firefly engine, depending on the trim level. While it's not built for racing, this crossover delivers an impressive balance of efficiency and performance, making it perfect for city commuting and weekend getaways. The powertrain is refined, responsive, and pairs nicely with its smooth CVT or 6-speed automatic transmission. It's not just about looks, it drives with confidence too. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2026 Fastback is all about smart use of space and tech-forward design. Fiat has equipped it with a new 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster gives drivers a customizable and high-tech display, keeping all essential info within easy reach. Materials feel upgraded from earlier models, with soft touch panels and attention to detail that raises the comfort level. Rear legroom is solid, and the trunk space is generous for a vehicle in this category. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Fiat has added a comprehensive suite of driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These additions make the Fastback not just stylish, but smart and secure, ideal for families and solo drivers alike. Now let's talk trims. The 2026 Fastback comes in several versions, including the Audace, Impetus, and the Sporty Limited Edition. The higher-end trims add blacked-out accents, exclusive wheels, and interior upgrades like leather seats and ambient lighting. For those looking for a bit of flair without breaking the bank, the Fastback delivers serious value for money. What really sets the Fiat Fastback apart in 2026 is its ability to blend form and function. It's not the biggest SUV, nor the most powerful, but it hits a sweet spot of practicality, style, and affordability. It stands out in a crowded market of crossovers with its coupe-like design and European personality. If you're in the market for a compact SUV that's easy to live with and fun to drive, the 2026 Fiat Fastback deserves your attention. That's it for today's review on Dream Autos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest cars and future releases. See you next time, where we bring your automotive dreams to life.